The light enters through the cornea, which protects the eye and bends light to provide focus. The light then passes through the pupil, a small, adjustable opening. Surrounding the pupil and controlling its size is the iris, a color muscle that dilates or constricts in response to light intensity and even inner emotions. The lens behind the pupil focuses incoming light rays and projects them onto the retina, the thin inner surface of the back of the eyeball. Accommodation is the process by which the eye lens changes and bends to focus near or far objects on the retina. There are two photoreceptors on the retina, rods and cones. Cones are responsible for seeing color, and rods allow you to see levels of brightness. After light hits these receptors, the information is transferred through a bundle of axons known as the optic nerve. The optic nerve is a cranial nerve that transmits impulses to the brain from the retina. The feva is a small depression in the retina where visual activity is highest. Bipolar cells and specialized cells that connect and transmit information from the eye's photoreceptor cells to the rods and cones in the retina to the ganglion cells that make up the optic nerve. The ganglion cells receive information from the bipolar cells and transmit it to the brain for processing. The blind spot is a point at which the optic nerve leaves the eye to create a blind spot because no receptor cells are there. The signal leaves the eye by the optic nerve. It carries the signals to the brain, which interprets them as visual images. The brain then processes the visual input and interprets the message the eye sends.